Want to send files quickly in Dola AI? Yeah. Whether it's documents, images, or PDFs, sharing files is super simple. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to send files step by step. First, open Dola AI and go to the conversation where you want to send the file. Make sure it's the right chat so your recipient gets the correct file. Look for the attachment icon. Usually, it's a paperclip near the message box. On mobile, it might appear as a plus button. Tap or click it to attach your file. Choose the file you want to send. Dola AI supports PDFs, images, Word documents, spreadsheets, and more. Make sure the file is within the allowed size limit. You can type a note or message to go with your file. This helps the recipient understand the purpose of the file. Press Send. Your file will upload and appear in the chat instantly for the recipient to access. Double-check the chat to ensure the file uploaded correctly and can be opened by the recipient. If the file doesn't send, refresh the app, check your internet connection, or try compressing the file. Make sure it's a supported file format like JPG, PNG, PDF, DOCX, or XLSX. And that's it. Open the chat, tap the attachment icon, select your file, optionally add a message, send it, and confirm it worked. Sending files in Dola AI is that simple, keeping your workflow smooth and collaborative.